Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it is currently September 3rd and I feel very inspired to do a Halloween makeup look. I know that Halloween is 2 months away, but it's officially fall in my opinion. Pumpkin spice lattes are back. The leaves are changing outside and it's time for Halloween. So I'm gonna be doing a Halloween makeup look today. I'm gonna be doing this look right here. I found this on Pinterest actually. So I'm going to be trying to replicate this. Not sure how it's gonna go. I've never done this before, but I'm really excited. I am sitting at my vanity right now and I have everything in front of me. Without further ado, let's dive into my first Halloween video of the season. I'm so excited! So it looks like we've got some oranges, a kind of like purpley burgundy color, and then some like black. It's definitely a halo eye, and then we've got a really bright inner corner. So I'm going to do my best to replicate this. So I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette because I think this palette's going to have everything that we need. So I'm going to zoom you in. Please ignore my skin. I have not touched up my makeup in a couple hours. So the first thing we're going to use is the creamsicle color from Jaclyn's palette. I just have some on my brush here, the M504 from Morphe, and I'm going to put that in my crease. And we want to make it just as intense on the inner corner as it is on the outer corner because this is a halo eye. So I'm just going to buff that in. So her eyeshadow goes out pretty far, like the end of her eye is right here, but she takes it out pretty far. So I'm going to try to do that today. And I want it to be a very round edge. I'm not doing anything super sharp on the edges, so just kind of blending in circles and it'll give you a nice rounded soft edge. So now we're going to go into this shade right here in the palette. I think this one is called Buns, I think. I don't know. I threw away that little piece of paper with the names on it. So we're going to use that on a smaller brush. So we're essentially just putting it in relatively the same area. And then we're going to go back into that fluffy brush and then just blend everything together really well. Okay, sorry about that. My battery died and my camera was overheating, so I had to be gone for a couple seconds. But as you can see, I just put it underneath my eye and just kind of really blew it out. So now to deepen up those outer corners, I think I'm gonna use this palette. This is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. This is Bling Boss. So I'm gonna use the shade Mystic first, and then put black over it. I'm really scared with going in with just black, so I'm gonna use Mystic first. And hopefully it doesn't destroy everything. So I'm just gonna dip into Mystic. This shade is very pigmented, so I know it's gonna do the job on the inner and outer. And eventually we'll go over this in black, but I wanna put this down first. Again, I'm just packing it first and then I'll go back and blend it. Kind of stamping it in for now. Okay, so I am back. My camera was overheating, but I went ahead and I redid my face makeup, and then I also added the purple underneath. So that's where we are at the present moment. So she uses like a reddish shiny burgundy. And I noticed that in this palette, in Jaclyn's palette, there's a color in here called Pizzazz. It's that one right there. So I think I'm gonna use that. I don't think I'm gonna need to cut it out with concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my brush and I'm gonna dip into Pizzazz. So I'm gonna put a hefty amount of this because I want you to be able to really see it even with my eyes open. So that is what we're looking at. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and add some black. I'm gonna add some on the corners. Okay, so I am back once again. My camera overheated again. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to the inner corner highlight because hers is poppin'. I'm gonna use none other than the Sleek Solstice palette, and I'm gonna use, I don't really know. I think I might go in with this one or this one. I'm not really sure yet. Hers is more golden. I'm gonna use Champagne Pop in the corners to see if I can get some of that silveriness out of there. There we go. That's a little bit better. So let's go ahead and do the glittery tears. I don't know how this is gonna go because her glitter is very large and my glitter is not. The glitters that I have are from this Pure Festival palette. And I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with that because it's gorgeous. Just kind of dot it down. It's gonna look different because the glitters aren't as big as the ones that she uses. I mean, it doesn't give the same effect, but I think it's relatively close. So let's do the lips and then we'll go, oh, I don't have eyelashes on yet. I gotta put eyelashes on. BRB, I'm gonna put my eyelashes on. Okay, so now we're gonna do my lips. I'm gonna be using this Ofra, I've never used this before. Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Monaco. Oh, it smells interesting. I got this in a BoxyCharm. Whoa. Okay, yeah, I think this will work. Oh, it's so soft. Wow, it's so soft. That is the softest liquid lipstick formula I've ever used. It's just so soft. I like this formula a lot. I've never used anything from Ofra before. So the lips are not going to matter a lot just because we're gonna have the black lines going down them. So we're gonna do the black part now, which is kind of like a sugar skull mouth and nose. I don't know how this is gonna go. I've never done this before, so let's just try it. I'm gonna draw where I want it to go. She starts about here. Okay, so now that we have somewhat of an outline, don't look at that. I'm gonna use the NYX liquid liner and kind of trace this. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Black Bean. I'm gonna fill it in with this and then put black eyeshadow over it just so that I don't waste all of this liquid liner. Put some black eyeshadow on it so it looks more matte. So now let's go ahead and focus on the mouth. So the mouth is going to be probably the hardest part. Here to here. And then she just does lines up and down. I'm going to map out where I want the lines to go. So let's do it. Here we go. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I absolutely, well, I gotta sneeze. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I love how it turned out. I think it's super spooky and super cool and glam and exactly what I was going for. So here's the picture. Tell me how I did. I added a little bit of black here to make my cheekbones look a little bit more sunken in and like I'm like more dead. So yeah, let me know how you guys think I did. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, let me know if you guys want me to do more Halloween videos like this. I have a ton of ideas. I just haven't done them yet, and I think that might as well just start now since Halloween is right around the corner. I hope that you guys liked it. I had so much fun doing this, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.